Good morning student, welcome in online classes of business study class 11th, and today topic is partnership. Partnership is a part of private sector, means partnership business run by a private person, not government. According to Partnership Act 1932, partnership is a business which run by two or more person with mutual agreement is known as partnership, and the owner of this business is known as partner. And in this business, minimum 2 person and maximum 50. Next topic is partnership deed. Partnership deed is a written agreement. It is an agreement between partners. It can be oral and written, but partnership deed is mostly a oral, mostly a written agreement. In this agreement, many points described, like sharing profit, name of business, other rule for business, internal rules, etc. Registration. Registration is not compulsory in partnership business, but if partnership business registered, so this business have a power to file a case if any problems occurred. So registration and partnership deed, 2 points are in this topics. And the next topic is partnership types. Partnerships types, like partnership at will, means in this type, partnership business can close by the wish of any partner. Particular partnership. In this type of partnership business close after a fixed time period, like 5 year, 10 year, or after completing the projects. Now the next type is general partnership. In this partnership, all partner having unlimited liability, means if the for the payment of credit payment, partnership business can sold personal properties. Limited liability, limited partnership, only one partner has unlimited liability, other not. So that's it for today. I hope you have understood the topics. Thanks for watching.